Hi viewers, I thought you might like to see our new pizza oven. It's made by the company UUNI and it's a wood-fired pizza oven. This is a view inside. How it works is you put these wood pellets into this hopper at the back, and then there's a stainless steel box and a chimney. Now it gets incredibly hot. I have one of these, which is a laser thermometer. Let's see the temperature it is right now. (366 Fahrenheit). We're looking for about 700, 800 for a decent wood-fired pizza. So let's heat it up a bit more. Get all that good wood smoke over pizza. Now we normally make pizza dough, but today I'm just going to use a ready-made pizzas. In fact, the first time I've ever tried this, and hopefully it'll work well. So, it's the UUNI wood-fired pizza oven. Now you light it with lighter fluid or with special lighters, and then this stuff is the same pellets. That's a cork. This stuff is the same pellets as you would use in a pellet stove. It's dried, compressed wood. It's very, very dry, and it burns well. See if I can show you inside here. So that's where the hopper is, and there's a flue there and an air intake at the back. This is, I'll use the proper word, it's a peel. This is a thin aluminum sheet which you use for extracting the pizza. Oh, so it's a beautiful late afternoon here in France. The sun is about 20 minutes from setting. This is our river. Right now it's full of fish, and something that you might not expect, some of you know that we have. Our water wheel. Now this water wheel was a water pump for the village. The water comes under the house, out of that outflow you can see kind of there. And then there's a diversion channel, but I have it going through the wheel. The wheel's about 3 meters in diameter, it's probably 200 years old. And it's connected to this large pulley with an axle shaft. This goes to a small pulley on a second shaft, which goes to a large pulley, and then down to that, you can probably see a red belt. And in this little house here is a generator. It produces, there's a car alternator or a wind turbine generator in there, and it produces about 1 to 2 amps, sometimes more, from about 12 to about 50 volts AC. The power goes in, down a pipe, a conduit, into this ancient window you can see here. And then inside the house there's 12-volt batteries and a charge controller and an inverter. I'll show you that in a different video. But meanwhile, back to the pizza oven. Let's see how hot it's got. Oh, the digital thermometer. Let's look inside. go, 600 Fahrenheit. So that's probably hot enough for a pizza, but for that proper woody smoke taste and a quick cook, they recommend 750, 800. Over 800, 900 is getting a little hot. I mean, it cooks it in a few seconds, but 800 Fahrenheit is pretty good temperature. The other thing are great flames which leap across the top of the pizza oven. So let's put the pizza in, and oh, there's Happer the dog. Every few seconds I need to take it out and turn it by 90 degrees so it doesn't get burnt. Can't have pizza without a glass of wine. This is a Bordeaux, obviously from our region of France. Delicious. So let's see how the pizza's doing. Looking nearly done, I should imagine. Yay! Time to eat the pizza. That's what I say. Cheers, bon appetit, and thanks for watching. So we really enjoy our UUNI pizza oven, made in Scotland. They don't sponsor the channel in any way, but if you'd like to get your own UUNI pizza oven, they're available from the manufacturers direct or from Amazon. Making pizzas at home is easy and delicious. Be creative, try lots of toppings, but most of all, enjoy your pizza. Thanks for watching.